Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as y'all can see by the title, yes, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to contour y'all's nose. If your nose flat like mine and you don't have a nose bridge and you want to look like you have a nose bridge, then you're watching the right video. Please keep watching. Before we get right into it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all stay notified every time I post a video, and let's get right into it. So I'm just gonna run off camera and put on some foundation real quick so it will look like, you know, well coordinated, I guess. You could do this without makeup too, without foundation too, but like I just feel like, you know, why not just do the whole thing? So yeah, be right back. Okay guys, so I've just finished putting on some foundation and now we're gonna get right into the contour of the nose. So I'm basically gonna just be using these two products, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Espresso, and then I have this Dreamy Brightening Creamy Concealer in the shade Fair. You could use anything that's a couple shades darker than you. And we're just gonna start like this and draw a straight line down your nose. Like so, and repeat on the other side. And then drag this up all the way, and then I'll line in the center here. I like to fill in, what is this? Fill in the bottom here and here as well. So now we're just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna use this little brush right here and lightly just blend that out. Then blend the bottom here and across. Just to kind of like diffuse the line a little, I'm just gonna rub like so. And now we're gonna go in with, wait. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the lighter shade. I'm gonna come, I hope if I draw this in a straight line. Down the middle. A little dot. And again, that's where I want it to be. Like so. I mean, you could do some on the side here too. It will help to blend better. And just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna use this little brush right here. I'm dragging the top up and then pat. The reason I'm patting is because I don't want it to move. I just want it to stay in the center there. Like so. So now you pat on the center. Like that. And then of course we pat the sides. Just gonna go with my Boozy blender.
Yo, hear me now. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rocking and the fucking real.
Gonna add some highlight to my nose.
Real bless. Can I blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
And that's it, guys. That is how you take your nose from flat to straight. I don't know. But yeah, this is the final product. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend this because I clearly forgot. And okay guys, this is the finished product. Please leave a like and a comment if you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you guys are notified every time I post a video. Leave comments of video suggestions down below so I know what you guys want to see. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Side and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side. Niggas acting like we tied.